Hello and welcome to my channel. This is part 2 of my trip to Cadiz in Spain, where I was doing street photography. So if you haven't seen part 1, I'll put a link up the top. So on this trip I used the Canon M50 Mark II, which is an absolutely brilliant little travel camera, along with its kit lens, the 15 to 45mm EFM lens. So sit back and relax, and hope you enjoy part 2 of the POV in Cadiz in Spain. The Canon M50 Mark II has been an excellent camera to carry around on my travels and for street photography. Along with the kit lens, the 15 to 45, it's absolutely ideal for this sort of photography and this sort of travel. It's not too heavy, it's lovely to carry around, and it's discreet, and I'm very happy with the results. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video and the photos. If you did, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so that you don't miss future uploads. So look forward to seeing you in the next video.